Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. And this time I'm gonna be looking at this Nokia 210, which works perfectly, but has a crack on the glass, on the plastic cover of the screen, and I'm gonna try to fix that. Also, this housing is completely garbage, it's broken, and I'm also going to remove all of these stickers. So I'm gonna start by removing them. So let me get what I need. Alright, so now that I have everything in my hands, or I mean near me, I'm gonna start by peeling these stickers off and then cleaning the glue with some alcohol. This is quite good, the sticker is coming off in one piece, almost, and leaving little residue behind. I'm gonna start removing this through here. And this bottom one. And I think I'm gonna be back after I clean this, so you're not going to see everything. Alright, so I have finished cleaning the back of the device. It looks a lot better. So now I'm gonna take it apart in order to examine this crack here on the screen. I'm gonna start by removing the cover. Right, and then the battery. And right now I'm gonna take my screwdriver to unscrew these 4 visible screws that I can see. Alright, I got my T6 screwdriver, and I'm gonna put all of the screws here. Alright, so right now let me figure it out how I can open it, and I'm gonna be back. Alright, so I have looked it up, and you're supposed to be trying to separate it from here, you know, to pull it out. And I'm gonna try from every corner. Alright, so it's coming apart. Right in this part. Now I can take a proper look at the screen here, where you can see this crack. Okay, so I'm gonna clean the table a little bit here, and I'm gonna take some alcohol on a Q-tip and clean this a little bit on either side. And a little bit inside. Alright, so now that it's not as dirty as it was before, I'm gonna clean a little bit the screen. Okay, so now the screen is clean. Now I was thinking about applying some super glue here or something to try to cover it so that the dust won't came inside again. I mean, it won't look brand new, but it won't let the dust in. So I'm gonna see what I can do. Alright, so I'm gonna show you this. I just put the keyboard out and you can see the amount of dirt in here. So I'm gonna clean this as well. So I'm gonna see you guys after I clean everything. Alright, so I have put this white tape underneath the screen and I'm gonna put a blob of super glue here, and I mean as little as I can, and see what is the result. And I can't put too much. I'm gonna clean it with some alcohol. So I'll show you guys the finished result. Alright, so I cleaned this as best as I could, so the crack is minimal, and I tried gluing it so it won't let the dust inside again. And I have cleaned the rest of the phone also. You can see here the amount of dirt on these Q-tips, and also here the stickers and some other stuff that I'm gonna throw away. So right now I'm gonna put the phone back together, and I'm gonna start by placing the keyboard back into its place. Okay, so the keyboard is back inside. I'm gonna give it a clean again here with a microfiber cloth. Okay, this is I have previously cleaned with the same microfiber cloth, so I'm gonna put it back inside. So it's back, and the crack isn't that noticeable anymore, so from my point of view. Oops, sorry, I hit the camera. Right, so it's kind of cleaned, so I'm gonna put the screws back together and turn the phone on, see if it still works. Alright, so the repair is complete. As you can see here in the menu, the crack isn't that noticeable. It's only on the side, so it won't affect the usage anymore. And that's kind of it for today, guys. The back is super clean now, and the rest I'm gonna throw away. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. See you next time.